Theodore of Tarsus, born in Tarsus, Cilicia, modern-day Turkey, was a scholar educated in both Greek and Latin, ordained as Archbishop of Canterbury on March 26, 668, by Pope Vitalian. His role was pivotal in the early English Church, which at this time was part of the Roman Catholic tradition before the Protestant Reformation. He is credited with organizing diocesan boundaries, establishing the first English school of higher learning, and mediating between Roman and Celtic Christian traditions. Notably, one such mediation at the Synod of Whitby in 664 standardized Easter dating. His efforts laid foundational structures for the Church in England, influencing its development for centuries. Saint Ludger, born around 742, was a missionary to the Frisians and founder of the monastery at Munster in Westphalia, Germany. He died on March 26, 809 in Billerbeck, Germany, as noted in Christian historical records. His missionary work was instrumental in Christianizing the Frisian regions, extending the reach of Christianity into northern Europe. Known for his gentleness and courage, Ludger's death marked the end of a significant era of missionary expansion, influencing the spread of monasticism and Christian education in the region. On March 26, 1964, Martin Luther King Jr., a Baptist minister and key figure in the civil rights movement, met with Malcolm X, a prominent civil rights leader. While Malcolm X was not a Christian, King's role as a Christian leader ties this event to Christian history, reflecting the Church's involvement in social justice. On March 26, 1977, Dr. James Dobson founded Focus on the Family, an evangelical Christian organization based in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Focus on the Family engages in media, advocacy, and family counseling, influencing American politics and culture, especially on issues like abortion and traditional family structures. Mark 2, 27-28. Jesus said to them, "The Sabbath was made for man, not man for the Sabbath. So the Son of Man is Lord even of the Sabbath, and he has authority over it." God bless you in Jesus Christ today.